Capricorn, a person who was refusing to compromise is waking up. This person is stubborn. They didn't want to give in to an offer, was acting like they don't care. But the emotional stagnation is lifting. There could be a shift in this person's emotions. They are becoming more aware, open, and willing to explore new opportunities. I feel this person was a bit withdrawn and now they are becoming more active when it comes to their love life. If there was a breakup between you and this person, they're now starting to get over this breakup, letting go of the past suffering. You might have not been seen eye to eye with someone or this person. Could have been some disagreement, conflict that developed into a stalemate. You both was refusing to compromise with each other. One of you may have fight very hard to try to keep the relationship going while the other was so stubborn, not not giving any attention to you. If this was a relationship, you might have felt you had no fight left, so you may have given up. You could be dealing with someone who have had a chip on their shoulder about past hurt. Someone wants a new start. There is a stalemate, Capricorn, in your midst with you and someone. This situation seems very challenging and complex. This could be a situation, some conflict with a friend, even lover or a colleague. Someone may have did something against you and thought that they won up on you.